In today's auto market, skyrocketing prices have made new vehicles increasingly out of reach for the average buyer. Consumers are calling for affordable options, but few companies are answering. Now, a surprising player is stepping into the spotlight. Backed by Amazon and built with practicality in mind, Slate Auto is aiming to deliver what most automakers haven't: a reliable hybrid pickup priced at just $20,000. It's bold, it's ambitious, and it could change everything. Let's dive in. Slate Auto's mission: bringing affordability back. Remember when pickup trucks were actually affordable? With most base models now starting well over $30,000, those days seem long gone. But a new player out of Troy, Michigan, Slate Auto, may be set to change that. Their goal is clear: bring back truly affordable pickups for everyday American buyers. Unlike many flashy startups, Slate Auto has real backing. The company has reportedly secured around $100 million in funding, with Amazon founder Jeff Bezos among its top investors. Founded in 2022, Slate has been operating quietly but effectively. It's already built a strong team of industry veterans from Ford, GM, Tesla, and Ram. One notable name is Rod Romer, a seasoned engineer with deep experience on Ram trucks. With around 500 employees and a foundation in traditional vehicle manufacturing, Slate Auto appears well equipped to make its vision of a $20,000 pickup a reality. First look: a compact truck built for everyday drivers. Recently leaked images show a compact two-door pickup on a flatbed, and it's clear this isn't your typical American truck. The Slate pickup sports a sleek, boxy design that combines modern styling with practical utility. Significantly smaller than mid-size models like the Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado, it targets a segment long ignored by US automakers despite ongoing demand. What makes it stand out is its simple, no-nonsense design. Unlike the bold and divisive Tesla Cybertruck, the Slate pickup opts for a clean, familiar look. A streamlined front and small grille hint at a hybrid setup without being overstyled. In the photos, it rides low to the ground, though some believe production models may offer adjustable suspension. The bed looks to be around 5.5 to 6 feet, surprisingly practical for such a compact frame, and similar to many mid-size pickups. For buyers who don't need the size or muscle of today's full-size trucks, this affordable, right-sized option could be just what the market's been waiting for. Under the hood, a practical hybrid powertrain. Sources close to the project have confirmed that, despite early speculation about a fully electric model, Slate Auto's debut pickup will feature a hybrid powertrain. This strategic choice strikes a smart balance, reducing production costs, delivering impressive fuel economy, and preserving the day-to-day practicality that truck buyers expect. The setup reportedly pairs a compact, fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor, offering strong fuel efficiency while eliminating the range anxiety that often comes with fully electric vehicles. Industry insiders suggest the truck could achieve over 40 miles per gallon in city driving, potentially making it one of the most fuel-efficient pickups on the market. Beyond fuel savings, the hybrid approach offers another major advantage: convenience. Unlike EVs that require dedicated charging stations, the Slate pickup can be refueled at any standard gas pump while still benefiting from electric propulsion for added efficiency. For a company launching its first vehicle, this simplifies the rollout process significantly and ensures broad accessibility, regardless of a buyer's proximity to charging infrastructure. Production strategy: moving fast and thinking smart. Slate Auto appears to be moving full speed ahead, with production reportedly set to begin by the end of next year. While that's an ambitious target for any new automaker, the combination of experienced leadership and strong financial backing makes it far more attainable than it would be for most startups. The company is expected to establish its manufacturing operations in Indiana, a state known for its robust automotive infrastructure and supply chain. This central location offers a logistical edge, enabling efficient distribution across the US and potentially aligning well with Amazon's existing logistics network. Unlike many fledgling automakers that stumble before reaching production, Slate Auto seems to be following a more grounded strategy. Rather than chasing flashy performance specs, the focus is on practicality, affordability, and simplicity. In an era where vehicle prices continue to climb beyond the reach of the average buyer, this back-to-basics approach could be exactly what both the industry and consumers have been waiting for. Why the market needs a truck like this? There's a clear and largely unmet demand for an affordable hybrid pickup. For years, consumers have been asking for smaller, budget-conscious options, yet automakers have continued prioritizing larger, high-priced models. The runaway success of the Ford Maverick, selling out quickly and holding strong demand, shows just how eager the market is. A low-cost hybrid truck could open doors for several underrepresented buyer groups. First-time truck owners who've been priced out of the market would finally have an accessible option. Urban and suburban drivers needing occasional utility without the hassle of a full-size truck would also benefit. For small businesses and fleet operators, the blend of a lower upfront cost and better fuel efficiency offers strong long-term value. Most importantly, this kind of vehicle could push efficient trucks into the mainstream. While hybrids like the Ford F-150 Power Boost and Toyota Tundra have generated attention, their $50,000 plus price tags put them out of reach for most. A truly affordable hybrid pickup could be the tipping point that finally makes fuel-efficient trucks a reality for everyday Americans. The Amazon advantage, funding, infrastructure, and scale. What truly sets Slate Auto apart from other emerging automakers is its strategic connection with Amazon. Backed by Jeff Bezos, Slate isn't just benefiting from a significant financial investment, it also stands to tap into Amazon's massive logistics and distribution infrastructure. This partnership could be a game changer. Amazon's vast network of warehouses and delivery hubs across the country could double as distribution centers and service points, helping Slate overcome one of the biggest hurdles faced by new manufacturers, logistics, and after-sales support. Integration with Amazon's broader ecosystem could also pave the way for innovative features and customer experiences that traditional automakers struggle to match. Perhaps most importantly, Amazon itself could become a major customer. By incorporating these affordable hybrid pickups into its own delivery fleet, Amazon would not only support Slate's growth but also provide the kind of volume needed to achieve economies of scale early in production, a critical advantage few startups have. Challenges ahead. The road won't be easy. While excitement around Slate Auto is building, significant challenges still lie ahead. Launching a new vehicle is no easy feat, especially for a startup. Even established brands struggle with new model rollouts. Slate will have to overcome major obstacles, from meeting regulatory standards and securing a stable supply chain to setting up manufacturing and building a nationwide service network, each a massive task on its own. There's also the question of design. The truck's two-door layout may limit its appeal in a market dominated by four-door pickups. Though the compact size helps keep costs low, the absence of rear seating could turn off some buyers. Still, if Slate can gain traction with this first model, it could pave the way for a more practical, family-friendly four-door version down the line. Price disruption, the $20,000 promise that could change everything. This is where Slate Auto truly aims to disrupt the market. The company plans to launch its hybrid pickup at just $20,000, an almost unheard-of price in today's landscape. For context, the lowest-priced Ford Maverick hybrid starts around $25,000, assuming you can avoid dealer markups. Most other pickups easily top $35,000. Naturally, there's room for doubt. Many startups have made similar promises, only to raise prices or never reach production. Companies like Canoo, Nikola, and Alpha Motor Corporation all serve as cautionary tales. But Slate Auto is different. With deep financial backing and support from Amazon, it has access to resources and infrastructure most startups lack. The company is also taking a smart, cost-conscious approach, reportedly using affordable, off-the-shelf components for everyday parts like door handles and headlights, which could even be fulfilled through Amazon. Its choice of a hybrid powertrain instead of a full EV helps keep costs in check. A small battery paired with an efficient gas engine offers the right mix of range, savings, and daily practicality. Whether Slate can truly deliver a $20,000 hybrid pickup remains to be seen, but if it does, this could be more than just a new truck. It could signal a major shift in the entire auto industry. And Slate isn't alone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.